Alright guys, so in this video we will talk about shorthand operators and precedence of operators. So let's get started. So there are five types of shorthand operators, and first is plus equal to. So this operator increase the value by specific amount. Example, a plus equal to 12. So let's say if the value of a is 10, the initial value of a is 10, then after performing this operation, the value of a become 10 plus 12, which is 22. And same case with minus equal to. So this operation decrease the value by a specific amount. So if the value of a is 13 and we perform this operation, so the value of a will become 13 minus 12, which is 1. And next operator is multiply equal to. So this operator is multiply the value by a specific amount. If the initial value of a is 2 and we perform this operation, so the updated value of a will become 2 into 12, which is 24. So next operator is divide equal to. This operator divide the value by a specific amount. If the initial value of a is 10 and we perform this operation, so the value of a become 10 divided by 5, which is 2. And this operator, which is modulus equal to, so this operator find the remainder of the value by dividing by a specific amount and assigning it to that variable. So basically a modulus operator used to find the remainder. So if we divide any integer value by another value, this operator find the remainder. Modulus equal to basically find the remainder and assign it to that variable. If the initial value of a is 13 and we perform this operation on a, so by dividing 13 with 2, the remainder will become 1 and it assign it to a, so the value will become 1. So the value of a will become 1. Okay, so our next topic is precedence of operators. So precedence means priority of executing the operation. So basically it means which operation is performed first and which operation is performed in last. So precedence of arithmetic operator is, so multiply and divide both have highest priority. So both operation is performed first. So addition and subtraction both have lowest priority. A precedence of logical operator. So in AND or AND has highest priority and low, and OR has lowest priority. So AND is performed first and OR is performed in last. So this is all for this video guys. In next video we will see the practical of these operators, and if you find the video useful, please like the video and share and subscribe the channel. And thank you guys for watching. See you soon.